Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to link your Google Calendar to Notion in 2025. So step 1, open your Google Calendar and click to the gear icon and then settings. Step 2, on the left side, select your calendar under the settings for my calendars and then scroll down to access permissions for events. Step 3, make sure that your calendar is public or you can get a public link via Integrate Calendar. Step 4, copy the iCal link or any of this link that is provided in your Google Calendar. Step 5, you can now go to Notion and then select the private page that you want to put the calendar to and then type /embed and select this embed tool and then paste. Step 7, paste the link, then enable the link. Step 8, you can resize this one to your liking. And step 9, if you want live syncing, you can use third-party tools like Notion, Automations, or Zapier. And now, your Google Calendar is live and connected inside your Notion workspace. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.